It's Dumpy the monkey. Oh, Dumpy's room is a mess. Toys everywhere. Time to clean. Pick up the toys. Now make the bed. All done. Look how clean. A clean room is a happy room. Put things back. Dumpy's room is sparkling. Bye-bye everyone. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.